Hi everyone. Hello. Hi. Hi. We'll just wait for everyone to join in and then I will be introducing myself. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay. So everyone, I'm Ivy Zinkai. I'm the senior makeup artist and trainer for Kalaba Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Zoom call ready with Kalaba products and lifestyle in collaboration. So firstly, I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using for this live video. We have the Hook Me Up palette over here that I will be showing you for doing this live. Along with that, I'm also going to be using the Kalaba Pro Shimmer Bar over here for creating a good highlight, and I'm going to be using my favorite Kalaba All Matte liner for creating a nice wing eyeliner. This look is going to be very easy and something that you can really do at home also, like even if it's a virtual meeting or even if it's just a random virtual gathering with your friends also, you can also wear it for that. So to start off with the look, I'm going to be taking the Kalaba Hook Me Up palette with my concealer brush over here. You can use this concealer brush for applying your eyeshadow. You can use it even for blending as well. It's very versatile. If there's one brush that you want to buy from Calabar that will work for many things, I would really suggest this brush. So starting with the concealer brush, I'm going to be taking this color over here, the lightest pink. So the light pink is going to be giving me a nice color on my eyelid. Just take that and apply it on your eyelid first, so it neutralizes your lid. So you can see it gives me this nice warmth on my lid. Do the same thing on this eye as well. Just take the product and apply it on your lid. So it gives you this very nice freshness. If a lot of you do not like wearing eyeliner and you just want to apply the eyeshadow, you can leave it like that also. I'm taking the crease brush and I'm just going to be blending it on the edges to soften it out. You can see it looks something like this. Same thing I'm going to be repeating on this eye as well. The Kalaba Hook Me Up palette, guys, is priced at rupees 1350. I think I missed that out, so yeah. So once you've done that on your lid, you can see this nice freshness. You can leave it like this, or you could just add a kajal, or you could add an eyeliner. I'm going to be adding an eyeliner for this. So I'm going to use my All Matte liner by Kalaba. This liner is a matte black eyeliner. It is extremely long lasting and it lasts for about 16 hours. You can see the brush of this liner is very thin, and it really helps in giving you a very nice eyeliner that is really thin from the sides as well. So starting from my inner corner and going all the way outside, I'm going to be using this eyeliner. So at first when you're applying it, you can just do a rough line just to know how thick you want it and just to see the angle. Later on you can build on it as well. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm just going to stretch it from outside. So if you want to make it thicker than this also, you can do it. I like it a little thick, so I'm gonna just make it more thicker than this. And I'm just gonna stretch the edge of it to give it that nice point. So you can see how easily the liner was created with this. If you guys are not very comfortable using this, you can also use the sketch pen eyeliner that we have. It's called the Kalaba Ultimate Eyeliner. I'm going to be repeating the same thing on this eye as well. So do this rough line. Once you know it's aligned, then you can fill it up. Like I can see it's already aligned now, so I'm just going to fill up the gaps. You can see it's done. It already looks so pretty and nice. If you want, you can make it longer. If you want, you can make it thicker. So yes, there is my eyes. I think this size is fine. I'm going to be adding mascara on this eye look, so I'm going to use for that our Colourbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. This mascara is very good if you want a mascara that's waterproof, you want something that would, lengthen your lashes, you want something for volumizing, because this comes with two steps. So basically it helps in, adding volume, as long as it helps in separating your lashes. So sometimes, lashes tend to get clumpy and stuff. If you're having that issue, this mascara is a lifesaver. So I'm applying this on my lashes. So first is step 1, which is the silver cap. Applying it on my lashes. While applying mascara, always start from the roots and then take it up to the tips. Wiggle it while you're doing it so that it separates the lashes as well and gives it a nice curl. You can see that. This mascara is priced at rupees 675. Okay, once you've done that, you can do the same thing on this eye as well. So I'm going to be completing it over here. Take the mascara and wiggle it all the way on top. So a mascara is really important. It really opens up your eye also. Even if you're not applying the liner and you just do the eyeshadow with this mascara, it will look really good. I'm taking it and wiggling it all the way up. Okay, now that is done, so I'm going to use the second one, that's step 2, which is the pink one, and I'm going to apply this over my lashes again. Thank you everyone for your comments. Okay, so yeah, I've applied it, and now I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the brush and just rub it like this from the corners. It's very important to also, apply the mascara on the lower lash line. Like a lot of people tend to, ignore this part or avoid this step, but you can see it, opens up your eye more and also makes your lashes look more, it looks like it's more volumized as well. So yes, I've done that on my lower lash line. Doing the same thing this side also. Take it and just wiggle it. If you've got any kind of excess that's under your lashes, like I've got it over here, don't worry, you can always wipe it off later once it dries out a bit. It's always easier to dry out mascara when it's a little dried. So yeah, I'll just leave that for later. Okay, now to complete my eyes, I'm going to be using our Colourbar Shimmer Bar, which looks like this. It comes in 5 amazing colors, and it is very nice for highlighting. You can highlight your inner corners, you can highlight your brow bone, you can highlight the bridge of your nose also. So for that, I'm going to be taking my Pro Crease brush. So I'm going to be using the lightest shade, just seeing how much it is, and I'm just going to be applying it on the bridge of my nose. You can see it like that. It's already looking really nice. Okay, you can apply some of it on your brow bone as well, so it gives it a nice highlight over there. I love this product. If you're looking for something, you don't want to spend on an eyeshadow palette, you don't want to spend on a different highlighting palette, you want one palette that will work as an eyeshadow and highlighter and even as a bronzer, then I would totally suggest this palette. It works as both. You can use it for highlighting, you can use it for bronzing, you can use it for you can also use it as a blush as well. This palette, the Colorbar Shimmer Bar palette, is priced at rupees 2000, guys. Thanks, Anjum. So I've done that. Now I'm going to be taking a Q-tip, earbud, if you want you can use that also, and I'm just going to be using some of it on my inner corner. So I'm taking it and just placing it there. So again, this helps in opening up the eye. Now since it's a Zoom call, and it will really help in highlighting your features more and making your eyes look more prettier. Okay, so I've done that over here. You can see how well this is highlighting, guys. This is really a really good product. So that's done over there. Now I'm going to be using the Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush, which looks like this. This blush is going to be giving me a nice freshness on my cheeks. So with the help of my Colorbar blush brush, I'm going to be taking some of the product, dusting off the excess, and I'm just going to be applying it on my cheeks. Just smile while doing it, so then that gets the correct angle. I love the Cheek Illusion blush. This is in the shade Bronzing Glaze, guys. So it works really well for even people with wheatish complexions as well. It gives you a very, very nice healthy shine on your, healthy color flush on your cheeks. So you can see the difference in the two. This side looks even more fresher, even more youthful and nice, where there's a difference already. I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side as well. So just going to be taking it, smile, and I'm going to be blending it on my cheeks. Okay, if you want, which is nowadays this is very, very in, people apply some on the nose also, so you can add that, so it adds more freshness on your skin. If you want, you can totally skip that step as well. So my cheeks are complete. Now I'm going to be using the highlighter on my cheeks, like the cheekbone. So for that, I'm going to be using again my Shimmer Bar, taking it on the tip of the brush only because I don't want it to be all over, and I'm just going to be placing it on my cheekbones. Thank you, Shravanti, for complimenting my brows. Okay, so you can do that. So you can see the glow, guys. It looks really, really nice and radiant. Doing the same thing even over here. Okay, so that's the glow. I'll just add some more on my nose as well. Just feel like it'll just look better. So that's it. My eyes and my face is done. Now I'll be showing you guys the lipsticks. Thank you, Sasha Warrior. So for the lipsticks, we have two options that I'm going to be showing you. One is a color that you can use for a meeting, you can use for something that's more casual. Okay, so that's this, which is called Sin from the Colorbar Sinful Matte collection. So you can totally use this on your lips. Another color that I'll be showing you after that would be this red color. So if you're doing a virtual date night, you could totally use this red. It looks really, really nice on the lips. So I'll be swatching both of these on my lips for you guys to have a better understanding of how this looks on the face. So starting with Sin. Sin is this perfect nude that is not too nude, but also it gives you a nice color on your skin, plus it's a color that goes for almost all skin types. So yeah, skin tones I mean. So I'm going to be using this on my lips. You can see the color, it's really, really beautiful. Just cover your whole lips with this. Applying it on the corners as well. Thank you, Anita. Thank you, Varmajeet. This side also. So yes, this is the first color, guys. So if you're looking for something that's not red, not pink, but you want a nice color that would look good for a meeting, as well as, even if you're just meeting up with your friends also on a virtual call, I think this color would look really pretty. You can dab off some of the excess with a tissue paper, so that also makes your lipstick more long lasting, as well as, it looks more matte. So this is the first color, guys. Okay, and I'll be swatching the second color, which is Kinky. So for that, I'll just first take this out. Just give me a bit. So Kinky is something more like if you want to, have a nice virtual date, makeup and stuff. I think Kinky would look great, or even if it's a virtual birthday party that you want to attend. So yes, Kinky. Yeah, so Kinky on my lips now. It's a very, very beautiful red that immediately just brightens up your face. Okay. It's extremely soft, guys. It's almost like cream while applying, and it is very, very hydrating. Not mostly, but there are a lot of matte lipstick that tends to dry your lips. If you're looking for a lipstick that's matte as well as moisturizing, I would definitely suggest the Sinful range for you guys. So I'm done with that. I'm just going to outline the lips with my Color Bar Definer lip liner, just from the edges. If you want, you can totally do this step before your so this just defines your lips further. The definer lip liner also helps in actually keeping your lipstick intact. It does not, a lot of people have this issue when they apply their lipstick, the lipsticks tend to bleed from the side. The definer lip liner will ensure that your lipstick stays in place, and also it stays more longer. So yes, that's done. Again, I'm going to be just taking the tissue paper and taking off the excess. Thank you, everyone. So yes, so that is Kinky for y'all. Now if you have any questions, guys, you all can ask me. I will be answering. Thank you so much, Tilanjali. Thank you. I will be answering any kind of questions that you all have doubts, like any kind of doubts that you all have, or anything regarding the look, or any questions regarding the makeup products that I've used, the prices and stuff. Thank you, Anita. Thank you, Anjum. Thank you, Sarah. Anjum, definitely the colors will work for dusky, especially the first color that I showed you, the color Sin. This would really, really work for dusky skin tone. For the red, okay, if you don't want something too bright, you can use this color that we also have in the range called Damned. That would look nice for dusky skin as well. Also, I have one more option if you guys are looking for something, a nude color, but not something that has so much of pink in it. You could use this color from the Sinful range called Wild Night. This is more brown. This would also look really pretty. So yes, Anjum, these two colors for dusky skin tones would look nice. Sasha Warrior, you can get these products on lifestylestores.com. It's really cool and the Lifestyle Store.com have this very exciting offer for all of you guys today, where all the Calabar products will be at a 20% off. So you guys can shop any of these products and they'll be flat 20% off. So as soon as the live is over, please go to lifestylestores.com and buy these products right away. Namrata, you can definitely shop on the lifestylestores.com for these products for gifting as well. Any other questions, guys? I will be answering. Thank you so much, Sana. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. So if you guys have any more questions regarding the look, any more questions regarding to the products used, please DM Lifestyle Stores. They will be answering you. Also, if you are applying, if you end up using this this look for any kind of virtual meetings or party or anything like that, please tag Lifestyle Stores on this, and they will be reposting and sharing the best looks created by you all. And don't forget to shop on Lifestyle Store today when they have the 20% off. It was really nice seeing you and meeting you all on this live. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.